Reddit is a social sharing site that gets billions of monthly visits and a long view duration, and it's highly popular in major companies. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take some of those opportunities and turn it into cash. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn a few different ways to make money with Reddit. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Now, today in this video, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you step by step how to promote your affiliate links with Reddit. Now, Reddit can be an incredibly popular and profitable opportunity if you do it the right way. Now, you want to make sure that you do it the right way so that you're not kicked out of different groups, which I'll talk about in just a moment, and so that you can actually be seen as a subject matter expert. But first, let's take a look at some of their web here. We're going to take a look at some metrics here. They get 1.7 billion monthly viewers, so that's very important. A lot of people are going there, which means there's some credibility. There's almost a 10-minute session duration. So anytime someone goes to the site, they're spending at least or almost 10 minutes. So that's very important as well. It's the 12th ranked website in the United States. So it's visited by major companies, and we're going to use this as an opportunity. Now, there are a few different ways that you can make money with Reddit. We're going to talk about each one of those ways. And just to show you that I do use Reddit, this is actually my personal subreddit. Now, you can't just get a subreddit. You have to kind of earn it, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. So Reddit, just if you don't know, Reddit is basically, and it calls itself the front page of the website, basically Reddit is like a giant forum site with a bunch of smaller forums. They call the smaller forums subreddits or subs. And what you can do is you can find a subreddit on anything, both safe for work and not safe for work, so make sure you're careful. But you can find a forum or a subreddit covering any topic. So this can be great and profitable and can make you tons of money for any niche, anything from woodworking to weight loss to making money. Lots of opportunity out there. So let's go ahead and take a look at this page here. One thing that I want you to notice is that there is a search bar. And whenever you see a search bar, that lets you know that people are asking questions, and you can be there, the subject matter expert, to answer those questions and solve the problem. If we look here, what you see on my home screen is you see the different subreddits that I'm subscribed to. And so I'm getting the latest, or I'm getting maybe the most popular comments or posts from individual subreddits that I belong to. First thing you want to do is you want to go up to the search bar and you want to start earning karma. Now, you want to earn karma for the long-term play. The long-term play is to start your own subreddit. But what you can do is come up to the search bar and just type in anything. We could type in like how to lose weight, whatever your niche is. As you can see here, people are asking this question many times over. If I spell the word correctly, you can see people are asking how to lose weight fast as a teen. Another thing that you can do is you can actually use Ahrefs to see what people are ranking for within Reddit. So if we click on this, this is going to take a little while to load. It may not even load for me. Let me try and refresh the page here. But what you can see here is people are asking questions. How to lose weight the dudest way. So how to lose weight for men. What you can do is you can join these subreddits and, again, become the subject matter expert. Now, it's really important that you know that you can't just jump into these subreddits and start spamming affiliate links. That's the absolute wrong way to go. That is going to get you banned, and people are probably going to make fun of you. You're going to lose karma. You want to earn karma and gain karma so that you can eventually open up your own subreddit like I did. But it's really simple. You're going to pick a niche or pick a topic that you want to create content on, and it can be anything. I can type in verses, and people are comparing two things. Hopefully this is safe for work, but people are simply comparing two things, and you can create content answering those questions. But if we go back here to like, we'll type in weight loss like this, and you're simply going to find questions that you can answer. More protein for weight loss. Hello. So I'm super curious if weight loss searching for weight loss advice for losing over 100 pounds. So this is interesting right here. If we take a look at this subreddit, it's called the weight loss advice. It has over 219,000 members. 252 people are already online. And you can see over here some of the rules. No advertisements, promotions, or surveys. Only friendly advice, legitimate advice, posting, and so on. So you want to make sure that you are adhering to these rules. What you can do is you can go up and join the subreddit. When you join it, these posts are going to start showing up on your newsfeed. What you can do is you can simply first change this to new. because these are going to be the most recent posts. These are going to have the least amount of comments on them. And you are simply just going to come through and answer the question. Now, the key is, since you can't just promote your affiliate link, what you could do, and there's a few ways to do it, is you could actually go over to a Google Doc, create a brand new Google Doc, and you could create something like weight loss tips or woodworking tips, whatever your niche is. So we're going to go here, we're going to do heading, and we could say like weight loss tips for beginners, like this. And then we can make a nice little Google Sheet that we can share. If you want to take it a step further, you could make a Google Doc, or a PDF. But I like this Google Sheet here. We could share, make it look nice. We're going to center this, and then we could do like 5 tips. So 1, 2, and so on. And then at the bottom here, we could also include some links. So like we could say like weight loss secret recipe, like that. And then we could put in an affiliate link just like this. We're going to link this, and then we could link it to wherever we want them to go. So we're just going to put this at www.espn like that. And then you can say, hey, look, I put together this handy guide. It has 10 tips to help you lose weight as a complete beginner. It's a handy guide to help you lose over 100 pounds as a complete beginner. It's a simple 5-step guide, eat less sugar, drink more water, and then you can share this in a subreddit. This is going to pass. You're simply going to click up here, click this, and you're going to, we'll give that name. And we're simply just going to copy the link and share it. You can come back here and answer this question. So we're going to go here, and we could say, we're going to comment here and say, one way that works really nice is feel, felt, found. You can say, I understand how you feel. I felt the same way when I tried to lose weight at home. I found, so feel, felt, found, remember that. I found that, we could say I found that forcing myself to get up early before the kids actually helped me get on a routine. And then you could say, hey, look, that's just one of 10 tips that I have. If you want to see all 10 of my tips, check out this little guide that I put together. Check out this Google Doc that I put together. And a Google Doc is going to be way less alarming than making people put in their email address. Now, ultimately, I do feel like you should do email marketing. And we could say like weight loss tips, like this. We're going to highlight this, and then we could link to our PDF, just like that. And so what we can do is, the question is about weight loss, obviously, and we're simply going to say, I understand how you feel. I felt the same way when I first tried to lose weight at home. I found that forcing myself to get up early, blah, 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 blah. You can also add in more context and then say, oh, by the way, these are the tips that I live by and help me lose weight. Okay, and so you can share it like that, or you can share it with a landing page. You can collect email addresses, but in my opinion, this is going to be way less alarming. And this is cool because you can update it over time. People will only have access to it. They won't be able to make any changes to it. And so when they click on this, it'll take them over to ESPN or an affiliate product that you find over at ClickBank. This is just one way that you can do it. And if you do this enough, if you are successful enough, you are going to start earning what's called karma. Karma are points that you can convert into a subreddit. But what I recommend that you do, if you're going to try this way first, post 3 or 4 times, answer 3 or 4 questions per day. That's going to eventually get the ball rolling. And once the ball gets rolling, you get a bunch of karma points. You can create your own subreddit, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. But if we look here, again, this works for anything. We can come back up to our home page, and we can type in something like woodworking, just like this. And you're going to see there are lots of people out there that are talking about woodworking, or what is woodworking, how to do woodworking, and you can simply answer those questions, maybe like woodworking tips, like this. And let's see, this is a YouTube video. What are some super old school woodworking tips taught to you by the old boys? So what you could do is go up to Google and say woodworking tips, like this, and go through and find a bunch of tips. list 2 or 3 of them, and then say, hey, look, I put together a list of 50 or 60 different woodworking tips. Now, obviously, you don't want to just steal other people's content. You want to make sure that you are giving credit where credit's due. And then if you put together a list of Google Docs in this docs here, you want to put in an affiliate link, put in like you could put like at the very bottom here, we'll say references, and then link out to, let's say, this channel right here where you got the content from. And then once again, you're going to go back and you're going to answer the question just like I did here. And then say, hey, look, I have 10 more tips that I want to share with you. Click here to see these 10 tips. They take you over to Google Doc. That's going to help you. But ultimately, what I would recommend that you do is I want you to start your own subreddit. The reason why you want to start your own subreddit is you can control what's going in and coming out. Now, if we take a look at this subreddit here, this isn't mine. If we take a look at my subreddit here, I post things to my YouTube channels, to my website, and the cool thing is a lot of this is actually done automated with a service called Integromat. I'm using Integromat. I think I use Zapier as well to make this automatic so that I'm not actually doing it. For example, this video went live 8 hours ago. 8 hours ago, it was 2 in the morning. And so this is actually done automatically for me. And this can actually help you grow and build a following. And what you can do if you, let's say you want to get started and make money online, what you can do is go up to, we can go to like answerthepublic.com. And this only works if you have your own subreddit. We can type in something like make money online like this. And then we can simply create content that answers that question. And we can either do this on our own manually. For example, like 5 ways to make money online in Pakistan. You could answer that question manually, go in and do it a couple times per day. Or you can use a software like Integromat. Integromat will let you do it for free. There's 2 scenes that you can create for free, or 2 campaigns that you can do for free. One of the things that you can link together is a Google Sheet and Integromat with Reddit, and they can actually post stuff for you automatically. For example, if I go back over here, this post right here, subscribe to the channel to learn about home security. This is actually done automatically through Integromat. I'm not actually posting this. It's on a cycle, or it cycles through. As you can see, a lot of this is done automated so that I'm not actually dedicating time, energy, and effort. But what I recommend that you do to get started, just to recap real quick, go to Reddit and type in a common question for within your niche. So you can use Answer the Public for this. You can say something like make money forums or something. We'll just use this as an example and we'll see what comes out. Paste that in like that, hit enter. And you can see Beer Money is one of the leading ones in Make Money Online. Make Money Forum, look for people that are asking questions. How can I start affiliate marketing? This is usually kind of like a trap question where people are trying to get you to engage so that they can reach out to you. Do web forums on making money online. So you could go through and answer that question, and then put together a list of 5 or 6 resources, maybe 10 resources, and then put in an affiliate link. For example, another thing you could do is like, if we come up here and type in like how to start a blog, hit enter, you can see people are asking this question, how to start a blog. What you could do is you can go through and write, the first, you could actually answer the question completely, like a complete 7-step guide, and say, hey, look, if you want a deeper guide, you want more understanding, I put together this quick checklist for you. And then in the checklist, step 1 could be to get web hosting and a domain name. And then you could have a link to Bluehost or whatever affiliate program that you're with. So we could have a link here, and we could go to www.bluehost.com like this. Click OK. And then number 2 would be to get to download a premium WordPress theme, and then we could be an affiliate for ThemeForce. But you can see how this works, and this all works for free. Now again, ultimately what I recommend that you do is send people to a landing page and collect their email address so that you can follow up with them. But if you don't have the patience for that, you can try this method. This method's going to be lower converting, but it does work. So you can start off here, you start getting some karma, answering questions, solving problems, generally being helpful. Then you can start your own subreddit, where you could start a subreddit on how to start a blog. and you can continue to answer questions that way. And once again, you can use something like Answer the Public to help you come up with different keyword ideas. And then you can take these questions and turn them into statements like, we could say, best ways to make money online in India, and then get those tips. You can put those tips in a Google Sheet and then use Integromat to send this out for you automatically. And then, of course, you want to make sure that you're giving credit where credit's due. But this is how you could start making money. Another thing that you could do is you could actually give away free ebooks. This is basically the same process. Within the ebook, you include affiliate links. It's all the same, and it does work over and over again. There are people that are making very good money just simply helping people out on Reddit, but I want to make sure that you are actually helping people and not just spamming your affiliate links. Now that you know how to promote your affiliate links with Reddit, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.